Yeah, it's recording. You're just talking. Yeah. You still have the hiccups, huh? They eventually go away.
He's going to school with that.
You always do this now, huh? In the morning, in the afternoon, when you're trying to go to bed, right? Mhm. You talk all day now. Mhm. Hey.